Yeah.
Yeah, go ahead, please.
Hi everyone. I'm Purnima Gaddipati. I did my medicine in China. So after that, I moved back to India. So I did my medical licensing exam there, and thereafter I did clinical practice for 3 years. And then I got married and moved here in US. So yeah, this will be my first job in US.
Awesome.
Yeah. So I live with my husband and a 3-year-old in Dallas, Texas.
Awesome. Thank you. Ananya?
Yeah. Hi, I'm Ananya. I have done MD Physiology in India, and currently I'm completed my master's in the US, and I'm looking for an opportunity in the clinical research role. So that's why I'm here, looking forward to the classes. And I'm staying in New Jersey.
New Jersey. Okay, good. AF Gutale. Am I getting it right? No. Haji, you want to go next?
Yeah, hi, my name is Abdi Fatah Haji. I'm an international medical graduate from Pakistan. I did my master's in public health at the University of Minnesota, currently working as research coordinator at the University of Minnesota. And I'm also the director or president of Somali Medical Association of America.
Awesome. Good to have you. Who are we? Subat? Shafia?
Hello, doctor. Oh, sorry.
Go ahead, please.
Myself, it's Subhatra Trichangode Amayapan. My full name is. So actually, I just logged in laptop, so I was not able to type it.
That's fine, doc.
Okay. I did my MD Physiology in Jipmer, and I moved to US 2 years back. So right now I am searching for an opportunity here. So that's why I joined here. I am living in New York.
Awesome. Omar?
Hi, my name is Omar. I'm participating from Minnesota. I'm an international medical graduate from Turkey. Moved to the US 3 years back. And yeah,
Awesome.
Thank you.
Thank you. Shafia? Sophia, you're on mute if you're talking. Faisal, you want to go?
Hi, my name is Faisal Mohammed Yusuf. Also, I'm an international medical graduate from Turkey. I'm currently based in Minnesota and working with Somali Medical Association. I look forward to this program.
Good to have. Okay, Sophia, when you're on, please do so. I don't know if it's the right name, but I'll say what I see on the screen. Jambo, am I saying it right? Okay, who's next? Ibrahim?
Hi, my name is Ibrahim Khalil Sheikh. I'm currently in Rochester, Minnesota, originally from Kenya. I did my medical graduate in Turkey, currently studying for the steps. And I'm looking forward to expand my views concerning drugs and pharmaceuticals. Thank you.
Awesome, thank you. Good to have you. Abdul?
Hi, hello. Is that me, Abdul Malik?
Yes, Abdul Malik.
Hi, sorry, I had a bit of technical issues, but glad to join. And I've heard a lot of good things about this program, so I'm interested to know more.
Awesome. Thank you, guys.
Yeah, you're
Okay.
welcome.
Noura Hassan.
Hi, Doc, and how are everyone? I'm an international medical graduate from Sudan. I finished my residency in OBGYN. I moved to US 5 years ago and I have been working in different jobs. I came across this program and I have been introduced by Somali Medical Association by Dr. Haji, and I'm looking forward to join and learn more about it.
Awesome. Amit? Amit, I still believe I did not hear from Amit, and there's one person by name Zoom user. So if you can speak up, and anyone else that I missed, anyone else that did not introduce themselves.
Yeah, can you hear me?
Yes.
I don't know. I put my name on the comment. I don't know what name I'm going with. So my name is Adam. Nice to meet you, Dr. Shahan. And it's really a pleasure to be here today with you guys. I'm an international medical graduate and finishing my medical school in China. Moved to in US, Minnesota, which I currently reside in. I am in the middle of my board exams, medical board exams preparation, finishing up steps. I'm looking forward to be part of this beautiful team. And thanks for the opportunity. Appreciate it.
Awesome, awesome. All right, guys, did I leave out anyone? Anyone who needs to introduce themselves, this is your opportunity, please.
This is Amit. Can you hear me?
Yeah, Amit, go ahead.
Oh, okay. Finally, I think. Yes, so my name is Amit Parikh. I am a retail pharmacist for about 14 years, and now I heard about this program, and I wanted to learn about PV and DRA, and I wanted to get into this field. So I'm here.
Awesome. Good to have you, Amit. So guys, welcome everyone. I would like to welcome everyone at this point.
Hello.
Oh yes, Jambo?
Yeah, I didn't know my screen name is Jambo.
That's fine.
I'm sorry. My name is Kasim Abdili. I came through Haji referred me. I have a different background from the rest of the group as a businessman. My background is nanoscience, but now I'm a small business entrepreneur.
Awesome. What kind of business?
Into health management, like assisted living.
Oh, nice, nice. Okay. Yeah. Good to have you. Awesome, guys. So I'll just stop the recording at this point in time. The rest of it is, what other students also know. So I don't want this to be going on the record again.